how to earn money in Township. There are pretty much different ways in order to earn money in Township. So first of all, you can simply go ahead and then sell your crops. Once you harvest them, simply let it get harvested, and then once you do that, you can easily be able to sell those, and then you can simply go ahead and earn money. Also, in your helicopter pad, you can see different mini games are available. Simply play those and you'll be earning the money. Also, what you can do is once the you play the event, you'll be able to see the send option once the helicopter arrives. So simply move on with the deliveries and you'll be earning those money as well. So if through helicopter pad, that's how you basically earn money. Also, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and then view different of the daily login events, available tasks, and then that's how you earn money. You can simply be available with daily tasks and then levels, or that will be available after you reach a certain level and you can earn money. Also, simply go ahead and upgrade your barn. It will also give you some or reward you with some money. Upgrade your barn to frequently store more goods and avoid waste. So keep all the factories running in your area. So make sure the different kinds of factories like bakery and all make sure they are running, and then also watch ads if available for small coin bonuses. Also, what you can do is simply go ahead and purchase those cash and coins according to your wish by using your real money. So that's how you basically make money and or earn money in the inside the game Township. Hopefully this helps. Thank you.